When Anna and I were working at the daycare, we had a lemonade stand that the kids put on, and it felt like no one came. So I texted my cousins at Mean Green, the business right next to us, to come over, and they didn't hesitate.
Steady through the highs and lows, closer than your skin and bones. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you.
Dom, working at Mean Green, came over to our stand and showed his support. Now you might be thinking that they met right away and it was love at first sight, and it sort of was, but it wasn't until after the stand was over and we were flipping through pictures that the love came in.
I'll be here for you.
The first time I met Anna was at a Waffle House, where Dom might have had one or two too many. So he asked if I would drive so he could hang out with the girl named Anna.
What the hell is that? Get the fuck out of here. There we go, let's go. You ready? Let's do it.
Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love go.
Anna was telling me about all of the cute guys from Mean Green, but there was one in particular she remembered and we wanted to find. We went through all of our pictures from the day until we found the hot one, which of course was Dom in his Mean Green shirt, jeans and boots, and a young, no facial hair face in the back of one of our pictures. Then it was love.
Let nothing drag you down. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. We'll never let this love grow cold.
It then became our mission to find out who this guy was, and thanks to my family connections, you're welcome, we got Dom's name, social media, and contact information at Sand Volleyball a few days later, and the rest is history.
The woman of your choice is now to become the partner of your life, the co-heir of your possessions, the queen of your home. In no other way could she so manifest her love for you. She leaves her home ties, the companionship of friends, all of these to share with you the joys and sorrows of life.
Dominic, today is finally here. Every day I fall more in love with you as you continue to show me what life is all about. As we get married today, I believe in us, in our power as a couple, in our power as a family. I believe in myself, that I am capable of loving you in a way that you deserve.
It was written in the stars, carved in stone inside our hearts.
Anna, I promise to love and cherish you forever. I promise to always be there and give my whole self to you. I vow that we will be a family forever. I promise that I will always fight for you and for us no matter what. When life gives you lemons, make a lemonade stand, start a family, and get married.
Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no, let's let go. Take
promise to care for you in any and all sickness, to try to never go to bed angry, always kiss you goodnight, always make sure that you feel loved by me. I vow to work through any sad or hard times in our marriage, to be honest and faithful, and support all of your hopes and dreams. I vow to spend the rest of my days with you, grow old with you as your wife. I believe we were meant to be, forever and always.
And as soon as we walked in, Dom actually had to take the world's longest bathroom break. So while I sat there with Molly and Anna in the booth, we played 20 questions. I had many answers such as, I don't know, maybe, huh, and sure. So thanks to my carefully worded responses, we're all here today. So Dom and Anna, you're welcome.
Take me
Dom and Anna started hanging out, I didn't miss the way he looked at her. I didn't miss the way he admired her, and I didn't miss his genuine love for life and all of the little things. Dom, at one of our first dates all together, I learned that you were patient when I drilled you with questions to get to know you, and you answered every single one. I learned that you were peaceful when we said, let's go to Waffle House, and you agreed to anything we wanted. And I learned that you were strong and kind the minute I got to see you and Anna together, and the way that you adored her, just like she did when we found the picture of you.
Don't let go. There ain't no love that's like God. Take me home. I'm holding